Good morning, folks. We are in Lebanon, Pennsylvania. May's hair salon. It's like a, I don't know, yeah, hair salon. That's the project we're working on now. We were just in Camp Hill yesterday, the day before, so we finished that job. We got Milton Hershey ongoing, and the house across from Bartolo's is another job we got to get going. That's sometime soon, but I'm gonna take you guys in here. Should I leave that open? I'm gonna take y'all in here. This guy, this is the third or fourth job we've done, and again, we're in Lebanon on 7th Street. The courthouse is basically right behind this. He owns this. He basically owns this whole block, this guy. But the courthouse, you can see it's in the distance there. So we're not far from the courthouse. Anyway, doesn't matter. Let's take you guys in here. We don't really do too many commercial jobs, but this is one of them. Sebi, he's gonna cut that music up before I get copyright stricken by whoever that is, NBA Young Bull. Anyway, Sebi's in here. This is a really nice place. It's not huge. It's like, what did he say this is? 600, I think it's 600 square feet. So we're basically doing this area. Now the guy prepped it for us. We're doing this waiting room. There was carpet in here. It's different level here, so we're gonna have to address that, bring it up a little bit, or I don't know, maybe put a transition there. I told him we should bring it up though, because
it would make more sense.
Yeah, if you're gonna do it, you might as well do it right. But you got that. Let me zoom out a little bit here. Yeah, 612 square feet. We're putting glue down LVP. Looks like it's pretty decent stuff. But right now we're undercutting everything. The jambs, archway there, and we're gonna start this wall right here, basically, and we're gonna run it out to right about here, and then run a straight row out, and then work this way. But Sebi's gonna be alone here for a little bit, because I got a lot of stuff to do today. Paige's got a speech therapy, her first day of speech therapy, or she's gonna see a speech therapist to see if she even needs speech therapy, which I'm not sure. That's another whole other thing, but yeah, this is what we got going on. It's Friday. We're supposed to have this done Sunday, which honestly I think we'll have it done tomorrow. But we want to work while the place is closed, obviously, because they had a bunch of chairs, 6 chairs, I think, 3 on each side. So
They packed it up pretty good.
He did an excellent job demoing this. There's a bathroom there. We're not doing any of this, but wow.
That's what was all in that room.
Holy crap.
And there's some over here too.
They got cash money laying out over there. Don't touch it, Sebi. No, but look, they got, looks like they do nails and everything in here.
They do a lot, man.
Yeah, this is cool. A towel warmer. Yeah, this is a pretty swanky place. She's been open for 15 years, so if you guys, anybody need their hair done or whatever, pampered, just come here. Because I guarantee, I never seen their work personally, but knowing him, I'm sure they do a good job. We have a little issue here, but that's flat. I don't think, we're going right over this existing floor, so that's very minimal. But yeah, so we're gonna finish undercutting here, and we're gonna start installing. I'll take another video when we're done. But yeah, there's gonna be a lot of people that see this job, so we wanna make sure it's perfect. Anyway, if you guys need an estimate, 717-673-5532. Have a good day. Thank you.